Hi, this is Krishnamsi from NIT Calicut.
Myself Premkant from NIT Calicut.
Myself Krishnamsi from NIT Calicut.
And I am Nagendra Babu from NIT Calicut.
First of all, let me tell you about myself. Actually, before last semester, I don't know anything about engines. I felt very sad since I am studying in mechanical engineering. Even then, I don't know anything about engine. But in the last semester, we studied about engines, and I thought I know everything about engine. But after coming to the experts on the first day, I came to know that again I don't know anything about engine. This is because in Experts Hub we are getting industry level classes and also we are getting hands-on experience. I felt very happy for the assembly and disassembly I have done on this engine. This is Mark 800 engine. Along with this, we have done assembly and disassembly of Hyundai Santro, and today we have done the assembly of Maruti Omnivan. Thank you Experts Hub for giving me this opportunity.
As he said, we did assembly of 3 engines. Total, actually we don't know. We learned lot more about theory and so many stuff, but we don't have clarity what is going on practical and all. So after coming here, I learned a lot from this. Maruti 800 and Hyundai Santro and so many stuff. Now I can say I have more clarity about the engines. And thanks a lot for the Experts Hub for giving this opportunity.
And we were taken to an industrial visit where we have seen the manufacturing of carburetors, which is the Spaco Industries, and we get to see how industry actually works, and also the auto cluster, which provides services for the MSME sector, where we have seen many kinds of CNC machines like vertical milling machine, 5-axis CNC machine, CMM, and 3D printing machine, and these all machines can be seen on only through this Experts Hub, and thank you for this opportunity.
At last, I want to say one thing. I don't call this as an industry. I just call this as a training program that just after passing the interview you will get through the company, because these guys are giving the same training we might face them. They are showing all the problems we'll be facing in the industry, and this is very good for, especially for mechanical engineers, those who want to go to automobile industry, because they just know about their IC engines and all, but they will not give anything about information about this braking system, suspension and all, and they also have taken, like, these guys let us show these guys made us see these industries backward, and they also took this to auto cluster exhibition and all. Like in Spaco, we have seen each and every part manufactured, like each and every sub-part of the carburetor manufactured, and that's it. This is a great thing to happen to me. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you. Experts Hub.
You can join Experts Hub, it's very good. As I said, you learn a lot more. Thanks for the Experts Hub for this opportunity.
Thank you Experts Hub, and I am suggesting the one who is watching this video to join the internship in the next time. Thank you.